Roberto is earning over $4,000 per month with our platform. Done4U Chief is Tony's go-to platform for his local business. Carlos is earning between $950 and $1,500 per website, and he made over $5,000 last month alone. Done4U Chief helped Shrin kickstart his local agency. Telly gets paid every single month from just one of his clients. And we have many more testimonials just like this right below this video. Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with a very quick video to show you how quickly you can come in here and create sites for your clients using our proven high quality templates that you can go out there and sell from anywhere between $500, $1,000, $2,000, even $3,000 to your clients. And I'm going to show you how quickly it is to create a site, how quickly you can edit that site as much or as little as you like, and how you can go out there and point that website to any domain you'd like. All right, so the first thing you're gonna see is that this is based on WordPress. Okay, so we built all of our templates inside of WordPress using the WordPress multi-site system. Okay, so you'll be able to come in here, create multiple sites, manage multiple sites, edit multiple sites, and publish multiple sites all inside of one WordPress login. Okay, so to create a new site, all you have to do is come over here to My Sites and click Add New here at the top. Once you do that, you'll be able to select from a variety of different templates that we have built into Done4U Chief. Okay, we have fitness, barber, health clinic, e-commerce, plumber, tourism, restaurant, e-store, professional event, creative agency, car repair, dentist, all of the hottest niches out there, we have a template for them. So let's say that, for example, I want to do a fitness template for maybe a gym or a nutritionist or anyone in the health field. All I have to do is click select, name this template. So I'll do fitness client. And you don't have to worry about this, remember, because although we host everything for you, I'll be able to change this to be my client's domain. Okay, so the site title, fitness client, click add site. And now this new site has been added to my dashboard. Okay, so to go to the specific dashboard for this website to start editing it, all I have to do is click on dashboard. Okay, now I'm in the edit options for this particular site called fitness client. Okay, now there's a few things that you can do to edit this site. You can come here and click customize your site. Okay, and that's going to take me to the customizations of this site. And there's two ways that you can customize it. There's going to be this area here where you can edit all types of things here. You can see you can change the title, the tagline, the layout, the typography, all of these different text size, text height, header text size, everything we have. You could pretty much edit everything and anything on this site. You can change the background. Okay, if I come over here, you can see we have multiple different options, footers. Okay, you can edit everything, absolutely everything, as much or as little as you want to edit to this site, you can edit. Okay, another cool thing that I wanted to touch on as well is here towards the bottom, you can go ahead and switch and toggle through the different types of sites. So you can edit the desktop version, edit the iPad version, and edit the mobile version. So very powerful options there as well, allowing you to make sure that your site looks correctly on all devices. And once you're done editing it, you can hit save and publish and you're good to go. But now I want to show you something really cool, okay? Because the powerful editor that we have built in comes with a drag and drop editor as well. So here I'm on the actual site. I can click on Enable Visual Builder. And now if you're more of a drag and drop, click to edit type of person, I'm gonna skip these tutorials here, just start building. Now, if you're more of a visual person, you can come here, and as you can see immediately, as soon as I hover over any of these sections, I'm able to edit them right away. And if I wanna edit this text, I just click, and you can see right away, I can now edit this text. And you can do the same thing for any element on this page, okay? And you can add new elements as well by clicking this green button here. But as you can see, anything and everything that I hover over, I can edit, okay? So this allows me to customize this site as much or as little as I'd like. I can add my my client's phone number. I can edit this phone number and add my client's information. So within minutes, I can create the site, come here, edit this information, swap out the logo, and boom, I have a brand new site for a brand new client that I've just completed within minutes. Okay, so it's that simple to come in here and start publishing, creating, and editing sites for your clients. And there's a few more things that I want to show you as well. If I come in here to the dashboard, I'm going to hit discard and exit. Okay, I can also, like I mentioned, point that website to wherever domain I want. So let's say that I'm done editing the website. I already added my client's logo, and to quickly change the logo, all you have to do is come here, theme options. You can see logo, upload, select the file, click the logo you want, open, and you can change the logo that quickly. Okay. Now, to be able to have this website show up on any domain that I want, you can see here we have a custom domain feature. So this allows you to set the domain that you want, and all you have to do is create an A record inside of the domain name register that you're using, and that is it. Within a few hours, this website will now show up on the domain that I specify here in this box. Okay, so it's that simple to come in here, create a site, edit the information, set the custom domain, and boom, you can sell that site for 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, whatever it is that you want. Another very powerful feature that we have built in is the ability to add users. So let's say that you want to give your client user access so that they can go ahead and edit their own site. You can add them as a user very, very easily here by adding a user just for this particular site. Okay, so I'm giving him access just to this site. They're not going to get access to any of the other sites that I have created. Okay, and if you guys can see, the websites and the templates that we have built in are extremely high quality. Okay, everything in here is extremely crisp, HD. Everything is very, very professionally designed. Okay, so guys, we have a very powerful offer here for you. You get access to these sites that you can quickly edit, customize, and publish and sell to your clients for $500, $1,000, $2,000, as much as you want. Not only that, we're hosting everything for you, and not only that, you can set the domain to whatever you want and have this website show up on any domain you'd like. Okay, and of course you can edit this as much or as little as you'd like with one click by enabling the visual builder. All right, thank you guys. I hope you enjoy this, and go ahead, and I look forward to seeing you in the members area. Alex is saying, will this help teach us how to get new web design clients? So I do have the one bonus that shows you 3 ways to go out there and get clients. But I also have a bunch of friends of mine who are experts at finding clients. So if anything, I'll reach out to one of them to jump on and see if they can do some training for us. What about adding plugins? Kinsley is asking, what about adding plugins? So plugins, again, those get added by on our side. So we don't want to be adding too many plugins, because especially if they're not inside of the WordPress directory, and if it's not one that we coded ourselves, because when you start adding too many plugins, it starts to clash with other plugins and slow down the website. So every once in a while, we will add a plugin if we get enough requests. Or sometimes what we'll do is we'll add it, but we won't activate it for the entire network, and then only specific users can activate them. So yes, we do add plugins every once in a while, but again, we want to try and keep this as lean as possible, because again, the goal of this is for you guys to go out there and be able to start selling these websites as quickly as possible, and be able to also deliver and see that the websites do perform. So we usually take plugin requests under consideration, and we look at them. We make sure that they're built well. We test them out first to see if they cause any issues, and then we go from there. Do you have templates for real estate? Absolutely. Let me go in here. So I know there was a bunch of you asking for our different types of templates. So let's see. We have, again, 1,451 templates in here. All right, and you can see we have 8,418 total sites in here. So, you know, when I said that we had over 7,000 sites from our users that we had to move over, I was not joking. All right. So you wanted real estate. Oops, I spelled that incorrectly. Wait. I know we have real estate in here for sure. And that's the other thing with updating that one plugin. It's definitely going to make things a lot easier. Why is this search feature not working? All right, we definitely have real estate in here. Let me switch screen options and change to 100. I know we have real estate in here, 1,000%. Oh, look, someone was asking for e-commerce. Here's the e-commerce, multiple e-commerce. I know we have, even on the home page, I think we have it. I don't know why the search feature isn't working. Hey, all right. May have to figure out what's going on with this search feature. Oh, you saw it there for a second. So there's on the home page we only show 68, but you saw there the search feature was acting a little weird there. Here goes one for real estate template. There we go. Knew I wasn't going crazy. There you go. Real estate template. You gonna tell me a realtor won't pay $500 for something like this? Look at that. All right. There you go. Awesome. Someone bought. A bunch of you are buying. Yes. Are the sites secured from hackers? Yes. We haven't been hacked once at all. Not even, I don't even think anyone's even attempted to hack any of our sites. Travel. Someone is asking for travel. I believe I did just see a travel one. There's a tourism template here. All right, so there you can see pretty much tourism/travel if you're a travel agent. And remember, guys, if you see one of these templates that's similar to your niche as well, you can edit them however you'd like. So you can tweak one to match your whatever you want. Window tinting. Yes, I know we have window tinting because I personally added a window tinting one. I think multiple window tinting one. So yes, we do have window tinting. So again, if you pick up the unlimited upgrade, you will have access to all 1,449 templates. I just have to figure out why the search feature isn't working. So I'll figure that out once we jump off here. But yes, I know I've personally added a window tinting theme. Let's see. Oh, window cleaning. All right, so the search feature does work. It's just, I don't know why it wasn't working for. Oh, no, that's not window cleaning. So it looks like maybe one of our users tried to create one. But yes, we do have window tinting. I know we do. All right. And again, we're going to be adding multiple templates in the future. All right. So if we also work based on requests. So if we see enough requests for a specific template, we'll add it. So there's a lot more to come as well. Jewelry. Someone's asking for jewelry. Let's see. Trying jewelry. Let's see. There we go. This one just needs a background image here. Maybe a background image there. All right. That one's not the best template there. This is an e-commerce template. All right. But yeah, you can see we have multiple jewelry templates in here. Let's see this one here. Oh, I think this is one that someone created. Oops. Now I'm showing some of the users. So you see, this is one that a user completely customized however they want it. All right. He probably has, this is probably his own jewelry store, and he created his own site. So when I search here, sometimes other users' websites show up. All right. So we have multiple templates. All right, all the over 1,449 templates. And again, if there's something that you truly do not see, we can go ahead and get it added. Grocery store, yes, we definitely have grocery store. Where is it? I think that might be right on the where is it? On the templates page. Where is it? Would it be food and drinks, cafeteria? No, you asked for groceries. There's a good chance. I'm pretty sure we have groceries. Again, we have so many templates, and I've personally added so many templates myself that sometimes I know for sure I added that. I know for sure I added some of them. There's a daycare one here. Someone was asking for daycare, personal trainer. This one's cool here. Dentist template, church template. There's a bunch of people that offer website design services to churches and just crush it just doing that. Yeah, so Steven is saying you can edit templates to any type of niche, correct? Yeah, so you can, if you see something you like, you can completely change it. You can turn the fitness one into a gym one. You can turn this dentist one into, I don't know, a car shop if you want to. You can change it however you want, especially with the built-in AI editor as well. You can completely change the look of a website. Yep, you can change them using the AI. Absolutely. All right, so now let me see. I wanted to kind of address all the template questions, but there are some other questions as well. And my support desk, someone is asking. Someone is asking, do I have a video that shows how all my products work together? Yes. Give me 1 second. And Tatiana is asking if I currently have done for you agency, will my account be automatically upgraded? So yeah, if you have just the agency account, you will be upgraded. But what you will not be upgraded to is our unlimited package. So that's upgrade number one. So if you are an existing Done For You Chief customer, I recommend upgrading to our unlimited plan. It's starting at 127, and that will allow you to pretty much get everything and everything that we have. Yeah, so Andres is saying, do we have Google Translate built in? Yeah, so you can build websites in different languages. So when you're creating a new site, let's see. Oh, wait, I'm on the demo for this one. All right, so if you select this template, you can see here, you can choose the site language. You can pick any language that you want when you're building the site. All right, there's a bunch of, oh, whoops. What happened? The questions box disappeared. All right, so if you are an existing Done For You Chief customer, there's a bunch of you asking for, here it is. Let me know in the chat box and I'll get you that link. If you are not an existing customer, then pick this up here. All right, go to this link here. All right. Benjamin is saying, is there someone to help me set up Sendio? You can message our support team depending on what exactly it is that you want set up. They'll help you get going. All right, Daryl is an existing customer. Kareem is, I need X Ranker 360. All right, man, this session is about Done For You Chief, but let me see here. You can pick up X Ranker here. There you go. Tatiana's wanting the link for the unlimited upgrade. Give me 1 second. All right. So Brett is asking, in your real estate template, how do you hook up the backend to show the properties for sale? All right. So you can create a new page for them and add the properties there. As far as tapping into their MLS, if that's what you're asking, I'd have to go in and see if we can get a plugin added for that. I know some of those plugins are premium plugins. So if you're wanting to show that and have their stream of MLS properties directly, which I know that a lot of people do that, I'll have to log in and investigate that. Oh, great suggestion, Delphine. Delphine is asking that she's saying that I should add Autoblogger as an upgrade. It'll be a nice complement. Yeah, Autoblogger is a nice plugin as well. on that real estate template, can you keep changing out the house for sale? So yeah, so you guys can edit. Remember, the built-in editor allows you to make changes for anything you want. You want to change anything on the website, you can absolutely do so. Oh, Christina is asking, please quickly point me to how to remove the Done For You Chief in the URL for a client. So that's where our masking feature comes in. So once you build the new site, you're gonna be a new WordPress is gonna be created for that client. Then you come here to account on the left-hand side, and here you see the custom domain feature will be here. You put your client's domain here. You add this a record to the domain you want it to show up on inside of their domain name registrar. And then you hit set custom domain and you are good to go. Dries is asking, I missed the demo. The part of the software generates the website from AI. Would you be willing to do the demo once more? Perfect. Yeah. So number one, oops, I closed out. Let me open that back up. So I'll do it. It works pretty quick to come in here and create a new site. So number one is that you can come here and create a new website pretty quickly. So let's do a church example. Church, create a new template, and then make it available site-wide to everyone. But I didn't want to do that. I want to create just a regular site as if I was selling it for a client. So here's a church template. I can select this one, give it a name, church example, church example. All right, so number one is the ability to create websites based on the built-in templates that we have. So that allows you to go in and really just quickly sell these websites to clients. And the beautiful thing about that is that since everything is already done for you, you can pretty much sell it at a very no-brainer price to your clients. So step number one, so right then and there, what you just saw me do was create the new site. So a whole new site gets created. All right. This is the church template. The whole site got created, but not just the whole site, but a whole new WordPress got created for this site. So now I'm in the dashboard for this particular site only. And if you can come here, change the logo. So you can upload here and say, I want to change this to, let me just upload a file. Let's do the Done For You Chief logo. All right, set as logo. And now that logo is now changed. So if I refresh here, now did I not hit save? All right. This church logo, for some reason, this is set somewhere that shouldn't be set probably. But either way, once you're here, then you can hit Enable Visual Builder and make any changes that you want to this site. All right. And there you go. Now that looks better there. Not really sure why. This logo was showing up way too big on the homepage. All right. But here you can click and edit anything you want on this page. All right. Click to edit everything. And then the if you want to create additional pages, all right, you can come here, add new page. You can use the DV builder, and then I activated the AI builder, which allows you to create entire pages from AI. So we'll do, we are a church, and oh no, whoops, please create a schedule page for our church services. We have church service on Monday, let's say Monday through Friday at 6 p.m. Sunday at 1 p.m. and let's do that. You can use stock images, generate images with AI, or use placeholder images. Click generate layout, and you can now also create new pages with AI. So this allows you to price your plans different. So you can create just a one-page website, multiple pages, and use the AI to do that for you. All right, so what this is doing here is creating a whole new page for me from scratch, from what you just saw me put in those boxes. And you can also edit your our existing templates with AI as well. And I'll show you how to do that here in the next few minutes. So this is, there you go, boom. You can see it pretty much built a whole schedule there. And if this is the actual services offered, you can go ahead and change those up. All right. Look at that. This entire page was just created for me. And if you want to change any of these images, you can also edit them with AI. So you can generate a new one with AI. You can edit this image with AI. So multiple different things that you can do with AI. You can also generate content with AI. So this here, generate content with AI right here. All right. You can see right there, boom, it already added some more content for me right there. All right. So bit of a quicker demo there, but hopefully that makes sense. Pretty much we have a ton of built-in templates that you can use. And if you get our unlimited agency license, you can unlock all 1,400 templates that we have built in. All right. So the way to do so is grab your account at this link here. And then you're going to be taken to our unlimited agency license, which gives you unlimited access to everything. And it's starting at just $127 per year. Kareem. All right. Can we create membership sites? You could create a membership site, yes, but it won't be like a locked down one. It'll be like a public membership site, if that makes sense. To be able to lock it down, I'll have to do some investigating to see how you'll be able to actually have members log in and all of that stuff, if that's something that you want to do. Awesome. Tatiana is in for unlimited. Daryl just purchased the front end. Awesome. And yeah, guys, get what you can. And that's the reason why we went back to this a la carte pricing as well, where you can pick and choose your upgrades. Because I didn't want to just have bundles and then exclude some people who couldn't grab the bundle. So with just the front end at $34.95, you get access to all of this right here. Done for You Chief Agency, 30 different templates. You can create and sell 50 websites we host all those 50 websites for you. You get the custom domain feature plus everything else mentioned. All right, so that's still a ton of value, and you can even sell a few websites and then come back and upgrade to the unlimited plan after. All right. Yeah, so great question, Jeffrey. He's asking, is the AI feature built into the initial agency front end or only upgrade number one? Yeah, it is. Just it's built into the $34.95 option. Okay, and no one, like I said at the beginning of the call, no one has seen that yet. It's not mentioned on the sales page. It's not. I didn't even share it in the demo video because I just made that live about an hour before coming on here. Because I was just gonna, I wasn't gonna activate that. I had it active on my side because it's something that I pay for out of my pocket. But I'm like, you know what? Let me just activate it network wide so that everyone can use it. So for $34.95, you get access to the AI creator as well. So yeah. All right. How do these sites perform on mobile first speed test? Great question. They should perform really, really well. We did just finalize our server move yesterday. So I'll be honest, I haven't tested the speed test, but just from being inside and editing and making changes and all of that, the website is running a lot faster than it was on our previous server. But yeah, I will be running some speed tests and all of that. Literally, we finalized the server move yesterday. We thought it was going to take 48 hours, but the export failed about 3 times because we had to export. Look at that. We're 8,419 sites is what we have inside of Done For You Chief. But not just 8,419 sites. Each of those 8,419 sites has its own WordPress dashboard. So if you can just imagine the monstrous size of the backup that we had to do, but not just the backup, but then having to import. So the import failed a couple of times as well. But we got it done. We made it happen. And we have one more thing that we have to upgrade, and we're good to go. Daryl saying, does the front end include a grocery store template? Yeah, it should have a grocery store template on the front end. Yes. I'll make sure I get that added. I'll double check everything once we jump off. Jeffrey is saying, is the new AI built into existing DFY Chief members? Yes. All right. And if you guys have any more questions, I'll be on here for a few more minutes. So make sure you take advantage. Hopefully, I delivered on my promise at the beginning that you'll be able to sell these Done For You websites quickly and be able to edit them as much or as little as you like. Patrick is asking, what is the bundle URL? So we do not have a bundle URL, but we do have our upgrade number one is our unlimited package. So if you did purchase all of our upgrades individually, you're looking at about your 210. I closed it out again. $210. $209.95. So I don't think we're going to be doing many bundles anymore. We're kind of liking this a la carte style that we used to do, where everyone can get a great deal on the front end, and if some people want more, they can do so by picking up the upgrade. And the other two upgrades are SimBuddy, our 2K Plus package, and Studio Agency is upgrade number 3. So upgrade number 1 gives you unlimited. So if you are looking for a bundle deal, just pick up the front end version for $34.95, and then pick up the unlimited version for $127. And I did see that we were getting low on the 127. So I went ahead and just increased it a bit more so that everyone on here can get access to the 127. Yes, Sean. Sean is saying a branded login is important for my clients. Absolutely. So I will make sure that we get that. We make that happen. Patrick got in late. Is there a replay? Yeah. So what I'll do now is I'll go ahead and stop the replay so that I can start rendering. So if you're watching the replay now, make sure you pick up your license ASAP because the price will be going up. And where can I stop the? There we go. So I'll stop the replay now. All right. So the recording has stopped. And yeah, that'll start rendering in the background. But I do have to warn you, I'm going to start the replay right as soon as I jump into the demo because the first 20 minutes I screwed it up and none of you can see the slides. I forgot to show my screen before starting and I didn't check the questions box till about 20 minutes in. So the first 20 minutes are all screwed up. Someone is asking, is it capable of automatically matching fonts and color schemes of existing homepage when using AI to create a new page? Great question. I do not believe so. I think if you're creating a new page, it's going to create a totally new template style. But from there, if you do want it to match the branding of the homepage, you can go in and start editing that. But since it's AI on a totally new page, it's tough to kind of tell it, all right, match the branding on the homepage. You know, it's going to go ahead and create a whole new layout, content, images, all that stuff. But because the editor is there, you can tweak the branding to match the homepage. Yeah, great point. Someone's saying the first 20 minutes had so many nuggets to get started and reach out to prospects. Yeah, so I'll see if there's something I can do to maybe just put a splash image over the top since I'm sure my audio sounded good. But we'll see. I'll see what I do to edit the first 20 minutes. All right. But with that, guys, we're almost 2 hours in. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Someone's asking, Patrick, any testing yet for ranking in Google My Business 3-pack? So yeah, I did mention that. A good friend of mine is a pretty much an expert at ranking Google business profiles. So if anything, I'll have him come on. He was on with us, I want to say 2 months ago. But I can ask him if he can come on again and share his strategies for that. But with that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and post the link one more time. For those of you who are still on the fence, grab it now. Okay. The price will be going up for both. All right. So the early bird right now for $34.95 is active. It will be going up tonight. Then it'll be going up again probably around every 12 hours. And then upgrade number 1 is going to be going up every 25 sales. All right. Perfect. So Clement is getting in. Patrick is getting in. Awesome. So appreciate you guys jumping in, and I'll be rendering the replay and getting it out to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you for jumping on live. And as always, I appreciate you coming on here, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.
What about bonuses? You will receive WP hosting, additional website builders, AI assistant for WordPress, a marketplace builder, bio link creator, content creation apps, copywriting assistant, SEO apps, stock platforms, various visual content creation apps, video creation apps, apps to generate traffic, white label, reseller apps, and much more. Visit my review for all the details. The done-for-you Chief AI funnel offers a well-structured set of options. It starts with the front end, priced at $34.95, which gives access to the core platform along with agency rights, allowing users to create websites using a limited number of premium templates and the AI editor. For those seeking more flexibility, the unlimited agency upgrade at $127 per year unlocks unlimited site creation, full access to over 1,400 templates, and access to any new templates added monthly, making it ideal for scaling up. Next is SynthBuddy 2K plus Agency OTO tool, available for $1 as a trial and then $47 per month. This upgrade focuses on improving your site's SEO rankings by tapping into a vast network of marketers who will share your content across their social media platforms. It's a powerful tool for those looking to offer SEO services or increase the visibility of their clients' websites. Finally, the Studio Agency OTO 3 at $47 offers users an AI-powered video creation tool, allowing you to generate professional videos to further upsell your clients. This adds another layer of value to your services, giving you the ability to deliver both websites and video content seamlessly.